That stretch mark on your skin will not be removed without coffee scrub. Hi Glow Farm, welcome back to Fresh Natural Glow. Today is a big one for me in my brand. We just produced 20 kg of Emulsify foaming coffee scrub, and this is officially the largest batch I've ever made ever since I switched from promixing to science-based products. This is not just a regular scrub. This is a science-based exfoliating, repairing, and skin-soothing coffee scrub designed to gently polish the skin while also nourishing and restoring the skin barrier. This is an emulsified scrub, which means once you add water, it turns into a creamy lotion-like texture instead of leaving heavy oil on your skin. This scrub also forms because it contains SCI, a very mild coconut drive cleanser, cocoa betaine, a gentle foaming surfactant. Instead of just scrubbing and rinsing oil, this scrub exfoliates, cleanses, softens, and rinses off beautifully without clogging your pores. This formula contains physical exfoliant that gently remove dead skin cells. It contains sugar, coffee powder, which help improve circulation and smooth rough skin, rice powder, which help brightening dull skin and gently refine your skin texture, sandalwood powder, which is a botanical powder that helps soothe irritation while improving uneven skin tone. Those ingredients help remove dead skin buildup that causes dullness, rough patches, and uneven skin tone. To make sure exfoliating does not damage the skin barrier, we added calming and repairing ingredients. There is green tea extract rich in antioxidant, help calm inflammation. We have allantoin, promote skin healing, and reduce irritation. Vegetable glycerin draw moisture into the skin and moisturize the skin. This combination ensures that after exfoliating, the skin feels calm, hydrated, and comfortable, not dry or tight. To prevent moisture loss, we included shea butter. Shea butter deeply softens the skin, nourishes the skin, and protects the skin. Sunflower oil is a very lightweight oil that is rich in vitamin E and support the skin barrier as well. This is what makes the scrub feel like a treatment, not just a scrub mixed with oil. And if you're asking, can normal skin, dry skin, combination skin, dull or textured skin use this scrub? The short answer is yes. It can also work for oily skin because it forms and raises off clean. So coffee scrub is one of those products you need in your routine as someone that have a damaged skin. Your skin barrier is weak, you have stretch mark, you have uneven skin tone, you have rough freaky skin, like your skin is messed up. You need coffee scrub. Coffee scrub is not going to do all the magic, but it's going to help a lot and also make a way for other products to work perfectly well, to penetrate into your skin. So it's a must have in your routine. This is going to the United States, and this customer ordered for 20 kg of this coffee scrub, and I'm so excited to make this happen because I have been working so tirelessly on this coffee scrub. I've been trying to launch it, but I've been giving it to a lot of people because I don't want to do try and error. And you guys know, this is not promixing. This is science-based product. So it has to be correct. The pH, the texture, the stability, everything has to be perfect. This is not a high sugar scrub. It is a balanced exfoliating treatment. It exfoliates, foam, hydrate, soothe, brightening, and support the skin barrier. That is what makes it ideal for someone trying to repair damaged, rough, or stressed skin. If you want a detailed video on how I formulated this scrub, let me know on the comment section. But just so you know, I'm not going to be giving you the exact formula on this scrub because this is my white labeling, but I'm going to create a new formula for you. Yeah, that is what made me a cosmetic formulator. If you've watched this video to this extent, please, my love, subscribe, like, share, and turn on your post notification. Bye.